thought I'd do a recording on my recent purchase. It was a Glock 19. It's pretty good. It comes with 4 back straps. These work pretty good with a beaver tail. It's got a little loader in it. Cheap little loader. It does the job. It's not a good quality one, but it does the job. It works. Comes with a little cleaning rod and cleaning brush, as you can see. It's the Glock 19. You can read the description on that. It's pretty good. Pretty good pistol. I haven't shot it yet. I want to fire some rounds through it. It comes with 15 round clips, but I think it's going to be pretty good once I run some rounds through it. I think it'll hold up pretty good from the Glock history that they have. So that's about it. You got your little pep packet works in there and stuff like that, so